Are your windows starting to look a little worse for wear? If you've noticed the glass in your windows look foggy or have visible cracks, it could be time to replace them. Over time, the continuous changes in weather, atmospheric pressure, as well as sunlight, wind, water, and humidity can take a toll on your home's insulated glass units, or IGUs. We went over how to determine if your glass is insulated in a previous video. The link is in the description. These windows are double paned, sometimes triple paned, with a pocket of air sealed in the middle that helps insulate the window. If you're looking through foggy, discolored, or even cracked windows, it's time for a repair. Luckily, repairs don't always warrant a total window replacement, as cracked or distorted panes can be replaced. First, take the measurements of the piece that needs to be replaced. Then order the glass replacement. Once you have the replacement, remove the old window. Insert the new sealed IGU. Finally, stand back and admire your handiwork. This may not sound as simple as a task as you think, so Glass Doctor can help you take on the challenge. Go online to schedule an appointment or use our search tool to find a local glass doctor near you.